What's the best way to restore fit of the doors around your home? Hey, it's Craig with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I'm here to show you the way that we do it. I'm in about a 75-year-old home in College Station. You can tell this old door, to make it fit, has been cut a time or two in the past and sanded just to make that fit in that pocket. Get a little resistance on opening that door. We'll be able to square up on that during the leveling process. Now, we prefer not to cut doors. That's why we're here to fix the problem the real way. And that's by ultimately raising the foundation and providing the proper support. We just took this floor furnace out. It's no longer needed. And now I get to hop below the floors and tell you exactly how we're gonna do this. Right over here, the main hallway or the main wall of the home is supported by this 4x6 pier on top of poured in place concrete piers. This other hallway wall, which is right there, has no support. So in 75 years, those floors have sagged over in this direction, causing the doors to fit on both sides. So the solution is to install a line of sill 4x6 from corner to corner with proper supports below, and we'll be able to raise the floors, square up the fit of the doors. Stay tuned, and I'll show you the after once we're complete with that task.